Today, we continue to explore the world of passionate Jeep enthusiasts where your Jeep camper transforms into an adventure icon. Imagine yourself driving through rugged terrains, preparing for epic journeys akin to Hercules' Envision, raising the canopy to reveal an interior space equipped with luxurious amenities, premium storage spaces, and a separate refrigerator to ensure food and drinks are well preserved. What sets it apart is its exterior design upgrades and integration of solar panels, promising unlimited off-grid exploration experiences. Starting at $150,000, every investment assures an unforgettable experience. Here is the latest product from Clockwork M Corporation under the X-Cabin brand, specializing in outdoor entertainment, the Cabin 300. Inspired by classic Airstream caravans, the X-Cabin shines with its shiny aluminum body and attractive commercial freight hauler-like design. Built on a galvanized steel Elco frame, the cabin weighs 1,250 lbs and offers 2 door options and 3 different floor plans. The X-Cabin 300 is versatile, featuring a front kitchen and a convertible double seat that transforms into a double bed. Inside, the fully equipped kitchen includes optional sink and refrigerator, ready for operation with a camping gas stove. The interior is equipped with modern LED lights, air conditioning system, and has the capability to self-generate and supply energy as needed. EOV is a B-Pulls model built on the Ford Transit platform, featuring 4-wheel drive and larger dimensions compared to other off-road wagon models. The Sprinter Jessie maintains a layout similar to the Transit but is 18 inches longer, enhancing interior space. The living area is versatile, accommodating sleeping arrangements for up to 5 people with a flexible and convenient dry bathroom. Equipped with a stove, microwave, 150L refrigerator and stainless steel sink, the Sprinter Aqua includes a lithium 320A battery, 530W solar charger and 2 key device inverter. Standard features include a 13,500 BTU air conditioner, Truma heater, and a 189L freshwater tank. Visit Musty Tech for updates on entertainment and technology. I'm sure this is also your first look at the Winnebago Echo. If so, leave a 1 and subscribe to the channel right away. In 2022, Ford partnered with Voet to launch the Transit Trail, equipped with camping components from Voet. In February 2023, the Transit Move was introduced as a production version, featuring a new design and upgraded features from Vendu. Alongside its familiar aluminum frame, the Transit Move interior includes a kitchen module with a refrigerator, lighting, adjustable lagoon table, TV, portable toilet and deployable shower head. The vehicle features an 83-litre fresh water tank and electric hot water system, offering 3 bed options. It comes with a full kitchen module, flexible bed configurations and upgraded suspension systems, including the Stage 3 off-road version. The Earth Roamer 15 HD, the largest model from Earth Roamer, is based on the Ford F750 platform and embodies luxury and power in off-road vehicles. Designed for self-sufficiency and extended travel, the ISC Finer HD features a 4-wheel drive system and specialised adjustments for off-road capability. The vehicle is equipped with a 2.1 kWh solar panel system, a 20 kWh battery bank, a 115-gallon diesel tank, and a comprehensive backup system, distinguishing it significantly from smaller Earth Roamer models. Inside, it includes 3 beds, a living area with heated floors, a queen bed, sofa seats, a kitchen, and a full bathroom with an integrated washer, dryer unit. Below is the Hyundai HDC6 Neptune, a significant milestone in commercial transportation with hydrogen-powered truck technology. This vehicle stands out for its environmental friendliness, using hydrogen fuel cell technology to emit only clean water. This represents a major technological advancement, completely eliminating harmful emissions during transportation. The design of the HDC6 Neptune is futuristic and innovative, drawing inspiration from the Art Deco style of 1930s locomotives. Featuring an advanced, fully equipped cabin with autonomous driving capabilities and numerous electronic devices, Hyundai has established itself as a leader in this field. Some of us prefer camping in remote areas, far from luxurious tourist resorts, to enjoy secluded locations. To reach these places, all you need is to sit behind the wheel of a robust vehicle towing the XTR trailer, crafted by Moby One Expedition Trailers in Utah, and head down the trails. The vehicle has a design reminiscent of 1950s era trailers, but equipped with modern technology. Despite its compact size, the cozy interior features a queen-size bed, ample storage cabinets, LED lights, USB ports, integrated TV and speakers. You can also cook comfortably in the spacious kitchen with a 2-burner stove. Van Kemper Works, a family-owned company in the United States, specializes in manufacturing slide-out and flatbed camper vans with fully customized interiors for outdoor adventures. The exteriors of these mobile homes are designed as a single-piece monocoque shell, ready for all weather conditions. Being a small company, production times can range from 4 to 8 months, but Van Kemper Works also offers ready-made models. With an average price around $115,000, these campers come equipped with special features such as unique dual rear doors, heated floors, wet baths, and various amenities. Looking to experience a memorable off-road adventure? The Earth Roamer 15 LTS could be your ideal companion. Built on a Ford F550 chassis with 4-wheel drive, it features a powerful turbocharged engine, a 95-gallon diesel fuel tank, and an 85-gallon water tank. Its spacious and well-designed interior provides all the comforts of home, combined with a robust structure and 4-wheel drive capability to tackle any challenge. Whether you're seeking to explore the wilderness or simply looking for a reliable and comfortable vehicle for long journeys, the Earth Roamer 15 LTS is the top choice. This vehicle not only serves for land travel, but can also cross water, reaching speeds up to 65 km/h on land and 13 km/h on water. Originally a boat in Bulgaria and a road vehicle in Germany, this unique bus offers travellers a distinctive and versatile travel experience. It truly is an excellent choice for exploring the world both on land and water, providing travellers with exciting and unforgettable experiences during their vacations. Have you ever dreamed of an expedition vehicle that can handle all terrains, from snow to marshes? If not, then discover Balaku, a giant created by humans, specially designed to conquer the toughest trails, especially in the Arctic region. With an 8x8 wheel configuration and ground clearance ranging from 750 to 800 mm, Balaku offers robust and stable mobility. Despite weighing 8 tons, it can carry an additional 5 tons on its roof, making it an ideal choice for heavy transport needs. Balaku's spacious cabin accommodates 9 people and is designed to provide a comfortable living space akin to home, crucial for long journeys that can span up to 2,000 kilometers. Global Expedition Patagonia is a perfect off-road adventure vehicle built on the Kenworth K370 extended 4x4 chassis and GXV sandwich composite panel structure. Externally, it features numerous safety and convenience features such as a secure entry door, ample storage compartments, armor vision glass, electric steps, and a powered awning. Here is a smart pot that's not just intelligent but seems like magic. Designed like a spaceship, it serves as a mobile home for the wealthy and environmentally conscious. The pot can be used as a hotel or conference hall, with spaces including a living room, bedroom, bathroom, and lounge area with a sunbathing area for up to 12 people. It operates entirely on solar energy and produces no waste, only requiring water treatment. The overnight stay costs around $350, while owning your own pot costs over $500,000.